kay Ma'am Julie. Ma'am Julie, good evening. Ayan, oo. Ako po kasi ay nakaadun sa kapila, so tumuloy lang po tayo. And of course, yung aming minamahal na si Sir June. Sir June, alam ko na mismo ko. Pag gusto mo kong i-date, pwede naman dito na lang din, ha? Pag na tayo, ano sa kabilang mga ha? Okay lang yan. Diba nga?
Sige lang, go lang.
Yes, ayan, sige.
Wala na ko. Gusto ko palitan ng mali. Hindi mo siya ng ID.
Ito pa sinabi.
Sinabi ko.
Sige, ano?
Nagtang ko ata sa nabigla siya.
Oo, pwede din naman yun.
Sabi ko pag nga ako alisin sa JC.
Sige, yun na.
Ayan. Thank you so much our director, si Sir Ugoy. Palakpakan naman po.
Thank you so much!
Thank you so much
Congratulations!
Lovely guests! Candy and Company, and of course, syempre kaya Madam Lynn, and of course, syempre kay Ate Julie, and to everyone.
Yes, Ma'am Nelly.
And kaya Salvacion, and kay Ate Joyce, and Company, and kay Madam. Thank you so much, and syempre sa friend din natin nandito sa ating bar. Ate Ate Sarah, and everyone here. Maraming salamat po. Pero stay and relax lang kayo kasi meron pang maraming pasabog pa tayo para sa party natin. Nandiyan po sa atin si DJ AJ and DJ Pao.
Yes, so ang nangyari lang po is matatapos lang po ang ating katakatan. This is because after this, we're going to have a party! So that's again, we're going to sing this song para po sa inyong lahat. And maraming salamat po.
Congratulations! Party!
Thank you so much for the day.
Everyone, come on!
Yes, even us guys.
Ginawin na song, come on!
And never thought I'd feel this way. And it's causing my concern. I've never get the chance to say that I do believe I love you. And I should never go away. When they close your eyes and your mind, don't feel the way you do today. And if you can remember, everybody say, he's smiling, he's shining, knowing you can always help me. For sure, that's the friends I got. For good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's the friends I got. Congratulations!
Congratulations, Bossy!
Don't be blaming on me. It matters how much more I see. It's so wide awake, I'm thinking. Oh, again. The times and where we'll part. Now you blaming on me.
Wait lang. Pasensya na. Oo. Pasensya na.
Okay lang. Ano ba yun?
Request na kasi nila, yung...
Okay. Sige, go. Oo. Kung naman tanong ka naman dapat sinabi mo muna sa amin.
Nagulat